Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Techs, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is rumored to pack Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 and 4GB of RAM. Previously, there are reports where Redmi Note series is being replaced with the Redmi Plus series. However, recently there are news that Redmi Note 5 is currently being tested internally by Xiaomi. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is expected to feature a 5.99-inch 18:9 1080p display. Xiaomi recently adapted 18:9 aspect ratio for its Redmi series with the Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus. Redmi Note 5 is expected to be launched officially by Xiaomi in the second half of this year. Redmi Note 5 is rumored to be powered by the unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 632. The Redmi Note 5 is expected to be the first smartphone that powered by the Snapdragon 632. The unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 is reportedly the toned-down version of the Snapdragon 636. The clock speed of Snapdragon 632 will be reduced to 1.8 GHz and the GPU will also be reduced too. However, it will still come with better support and optimization for dual camera setup. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is expected to have 4GB of RAM and the internal memory is still unknown. It is expected to have 64GB of internal memory with the support for expanding storage capacity with microSD card. As for the camera, it is expected to support dual camera setup It will feature two 12-megapixel sensors. The Redmi Note 5 is expected to be priced around 1,599 yuan, which is roughly the same price as the Redmi Pro. Given that the Redmi Note 5 is still too early to be launched, we might see more information coming out before the official launch. Will you get the Redmi 5 Plus or will you wait for the Redmi Note 5? That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.